Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import the Character Creator 4.3, the CC 4.3 into Unreal Engine 5.3, the UE5, to make it become a game avatar or NPC in your Unreal Engine 5 game project, something like this. You can see the CC4 Camilla already imported into Unreal Engine 5, and I already make it become a game avatar. That this avatar can be controlled by the users, by the players, and now it already becomes the game avatar. So how to transfer it from the Character Creator 4 into Unreal Engine 5.3? And start from now, I'm going to show you the step by step. Alright, so now I'm going to close the Unreal Engine 5, and I'm going to show you the step by step. From the Character Creator 4, the first step, what we're going to do is just export it as FBX. And as demo, I'm going to just export it on my desktop. So now to export it as FBX, what I'm going to do is just click here, File, Export, FBX, Cloth Character. And then, the target tool preset, choose Unreal, then go to the setting. Just scroll down, make sure that you export it as the T-pose. Here, use T-pose as the bind pose, then here, embed the T-pose for Unity. Then create a new folder on my desktop, name this as Camilla01. Then this folder already at here. Scroll down, click export. But before that, just check the FBX option. Make sure you export only the mesh. Then embed the texture. Just export it, click OK on my desktop. Camilla01. I'm going to name this as Camilla01 as well. The FBX name. I click Save. Then just wait for a while. Now it is exporting. After a few seconds, you can see the textures already exported. And then just wait for a few moments here until the FBX already appear here. Now done, the FBX is already here. Then, next, we are going to import it into Unreal Engine 5.2, sorry, the Unreal Engine 5.3, the UE 5.3. So as demo, I'm going to just open a fresh new game project in Unreal Engine 5.3. This is the Unreal Editor 5.3. Then, as demo, I'm going to just create a fresh new game project here, the game, third person. The project name is my project 3. I click Create. Now a fresh new game project is created. And just wait for a while, now it is loading. Alright, then if you try to play, you realize that this is a third-person game project. I try to play, I click here, play this level. You see, I try to play, then this is a third-person game project like this. The main avatar is the CC is the UE5 mannequin. This is the UE5 mannequin. So I press escape. The first step, what we are going to do is click the window, open the content browser to make sure it shows at here. I drag it down to make it at the bottom. Next, you can just scroll down, go to my video description, download the Freedom Animation Pipeline, version 8.5. Download it as a zip file, we need this. And as demo, I already put it on my desktop, the Freedom Animation Pipeline version 8.5. What you need to do is just double click to open. You should be able to see a content folder. Then right click the document, open in a new window. Then inside the document folder, you should be able to see your Unreal project. The project name is My Project 3. Just double click to open. Then you can see a content folder. Double click to open. Then you double click the content folder in Freedom Animation Pipeline as well. Then select all, right click, show more option, copy. Then at here, right click, show more option, paste. Then you are copying the Freedom Animation Pipeline. Then get back to your Unreal Engine 5.3, check the content folder. You should be able to see under the contents, the Freedom Animation Pipeline is already here. Alright, this is very important. We need it to retarget it. Alright, next we are going to import the Camilla01. I'm going to close all the unnecessary folders. Open the Camilla01 folder just now. You already exported the FBX. So in the Unreal Engine 5.1, I'm going to create a new folder, name this as Camilla01 as well. Double click in, then drag in to import the FBX. Drag and drop, just wait for a while. Now it is loading the FBX importer. So sometimes it may just need to wait for a few seconds. Now it popped out already, the FBX import options. Turn on the advanced, extend the advanced, make sure you import the morph targets, then close it back. Import animation, no need. Alright, the rest should be okay. Just click import all and wait for a while. Now it is importing the FBX file. Sometimes it may just look like it is lagging and freeze at there, but actually it is working at the background. Now it is importing everything. It is importing the FBX file. Need to wait for a while until it goes to 100%. Right. Once it finished imported, it will pop out a message log. You can just close it. So next, what we are going to do is just check your folder. The Camilla01 skeleton mesh is already here. Just double click and check. Yes, she's already here. This is Camilla. Then close it. Next, what we are going to do is go back to the content folder, the Freedom Animation Pipeline, double click. Then enter the CC4 folder. Then you can see the navigation is here. At here, you should be able to see the CC4 IK rig. Just right click it to duplicate it. Duplicate it, then rename it to make it become Camilla01 underscore IK rig. Then double click to open. The skeleton mesh here, change it to become Camilla01. Then click save and close. Next, back to the Freedom animation pipeline. Then, back to the content folder. Go into the Camilla01, find the skeleton mesh, this one, double click to open. Then click here to show the retargeting option. Then under the root here, make it become the animation scale, the pelvis. Also make it become animation scale. Then click save and close. Next, you scroll down. At this moment, you can see some empty areas here. Right click to create the animations. Retargeting, create an IK retargeter. Then make sure you remove it you rename it properly. The new, you remove the new just by typing UE4 mannequin underscore to Camilla01 underscore, enter. Now this is an IK retargeter. UE4 mannequin to Camilla01 IK retargeter. Just double click to open. Right, sorry, actually no need to create this. Just click and delete it if you already created it. Just delete it. We can copy this just by going to the Freedom animation pipeline. Go back to the content. Go to the Freedom animation pipeline. Then go into the UE4 A-pose mannequin under the character mesh. From here, just go and find it out. UE4 A-pose to CC4. This is the retargeter. Just right click it. Right click this. Sorry. Right click, duplicate, then rename it UE4 A-pose to Camilla 01. Right. Just press enter. Then from here, what you need to do is just change the target. Change the target to Camilla 01 IK. Then choose no. Then just simply select some of the animation from here. Let's say sample dance. Then everything look okay. Should be no problem. Alright. So from here, what you are going to do is just go back, minimize it. Then from the path here, back to the UE4 A-pose mannequin. Go into the animation. Then just now, you already add the UE4 A-pose to Camilla 01 IK retargeter. You have to save. Make sure you save this. Then back to there. Under the content, Freedom animation pipeline, UE4 A-pose mannequin. Under the animation folder, go into the animation blueprint. You should be able to see a third-person animation blueprint. Right-click it, retarget, duplicate, and retarget. Sorry. Right-click, retarget, duplicate, and retarget. The IK retargeter, you choose the UE4 A-pose to Camilla 01 IK retargeter. Okay, simple. Then click retarget. Then you can see it automatically jump back to the content folder, and now just check the third person animation blueprint. You have to rename this. Press F2, press right button, add an underscore, name this as Camilla 01, enter. make sure you rename this properly because we need to use this. Then just back to the retargeter here to export the selected animation. You scroll down, you should be able to see the T-pose. So click the T-pose, scroll up, hold the shift, click the first one. Then click export selected animation. Then click export. Then just wait for a while. Now it is duplicating and retargeting all of these animation assets. Just wait for a while until 100%. Then scroll down. Then back to the content folder, you should be able to see so many animations. So from here, you back to the Camilla's folder, back to the content folder, the Camilla 01, double click. At here, right click to create a new folder, name this as animation. Enter. Then you extend it so that you can see the animation. Then back to the content folder. You scroll down here until you can see the animation. So we are going to move all of this. Hold the shift. You click the first one, hold the shift, click the last one. Drag and drop into the animation folder, choose move here. Then, next, actually everything is ready to make it become the main avatar. You try to play. The main avatar is the UE5 mana queen. So to make it become the Camilla 01, to make Camilla 01 as the main avatar, the game avatar in this game, what you need to do is back to the content folder, go into the third person, under the blueprint folder. You can see a blueprint here a blueprint class, right click it, duplicate. Then remove number 1, press an underscore, name this as Camilla 01. Then press enter again to access it. Go to the compile, go to the mesh, click the mesh. Viewport, go to the mesh, click the viewport, click the mesh. Then from here, the skeleton mesh assets, you choose the, wait, before that, just close it first. And double click to open. Click the viewport, click the mesh. Now it is auto-saving something, just wait for a while if this pop out. Sometimes it will auto-save because you not just save. Click the viewport, click the mesh. So from here, the skeleton mesh assets, change it to become the Camilla 01. Then the animation class, change it to become the third person animation blueprint Camilla 01. Then click compile, click save, click close. Then go to the third person game mode. This is the third person game mode, BP third person game mode, double click. The default pawn class, change it to become the BP third person character, Camilla 01. Then click compile, click save, close. At this moment, if you try to play the game, you can see the main avatar already become the CC4 Camilla 01. Now, the Camilla 01 already become the main avatar, the game avatar of this game. Alright, if you want to make her to become the NPC, you can just right click the BP third person character, Camilla, right click and duplicate it. Then the 01, you name it properly, Camilla 01 underscore NPC. To make it become an NPC, then you have to create a blueprint here. You can program your NPC here by using the UE 5.3 blueprint, program it properly so that it can interact with the player's avatar or any game object, etc. Once you already successfully program it, just click compile, click save, and close. Drag the NPC into the game, then press E You can rotate it. Now, the NPC already inside the game. If you try to play, now you can see at the Camilla01 is the player main avatar. At the same time, she already become one of the NPC in the game. For this time, I'm not going to show you how to use the blueprint to program the NPC to make it interactive with the player, but this is really an NPC in the game. So in this tutorial, I already successfully show you how to import the Character Creator 4.3 3D avatar into Unreal Engine 5.3, the UE5, to make it become the game avatar and NPC in your Unreal Engine 5 game project like this. And everything really worked properly. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharing, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing. See you.